Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. See the hustle, see the flow, my brother, your progress. It dey show from the village market to the global stage. An Igbo man story, turn the page. We know they tire, we dey push 'em hard. Our blessing no fit fall down for ground, na God God. Ani na po akana azar. Aki kenga ani onaru oru. Mwafo Igbo jide nkegi ego na bata obi na tonyi muto. Ogene kwanu kelenu chuku yomadi. Mianu kanyi no kanhirire. Kabo ririn kabo nu wepirumbuta. Anyigagbagu ndi Igbo kwenu. Igagbagu ndi Igbo kwenu. Yeah. Igbo kwenu, yeah. Nothing sweet past the taste of home. The smell of ofe onubu and abacha when you roam. When the human are gather, you know say there's peace. The wise words of the elders, they bring release. The children are laughing under the moonlight sky. In the spirit of Igbo Maka, our future is high. Wetaram kola no tanyi no udo anya no nilu nanya. Akuna bachi, obidima, nkabo ebani, ebonwani. We are the children of the sun, we shine bright. No darkness can never put out our light. From the east to the west, north and south, the power of Asusu Igbo is coming out of our mouth. Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwezu, ise. Kelenu chuku yomadi. Mianu kanyi no kanyire. Kabo ririn kabo nu wepirumbuta. Anyigagbagu ndi Igbo kwenu.